everyone, my name is Tanvi Dikshit and in this video I'm going to be talking about the JBL commercial omnidirectional lavalier microphone. This is a clip-on lapel mic that offers a 360-degree omnidirectional audio pickup which ensures an outstanding speech clarity. It's also possible to clip on the mic at multiple angles, which gives a great flexibility to presenters and bloggers. It features an extra long cable and a 3.5mm jack that makes it compatible with most smartphones, DSLR cameras, tablets, and mixer amplifiers. The mic is powered by an LR44 battery that makes it compatible with DSLR cameras, and it also has an easy switch button that lets you change your recording device from a smartphone to a camera. Content creation, voiceover, dubbing, music recording, or conference calls. Whatever may be the purpose, the JBL omnidirectional lavalier microphone is an absolute must-have for you. So go ahead and order yours right now. That's it from me in this video. Thank you so much for watching.